The case study we did was on the Three Gorges Dam located in China. The Three Gorges Dam is a dam located in China on the Yangtze River that, through the construction process, put 1.2 million people out of their homes. Despite numerous warnings about seismic activity, environmental impacts, and water pollution, the dam was still built. It is now the largest hydropower dam in the world. And floods these days constantly submerge many factories, mines, and other buildings throughout China.
The outcome is it flooded 13 cities, 140 towns, and 1,350 villages. There were human rights violations to the workers, environmental impacts on the areas impacted by the dam. There was erosion by the dam causing landslides. The river basin species were affected, but they have the largest dam now.
Many different alternatives and approaches can be taken towards the Three Gorges Dam in China. One main factor in approaching this dam differently, though, is that the Chinese government gives the dam more attention. If the Chinese government were to give the dam more attention, this could potentially prevent the flooding of cities, towns, and villages nearby the dam. In an ideal world, the Chinese government would pay more monetary and fiscal attention to the dam and look after their citizens by doing so. A way that the Chinese government can become more involved with the dam is by imposing water conservation guidelines. This means that the Chinese government would restrict the amount of work that factories nearby the dam could do. Factories use the water that's circulated through the dam to help cool down their parts, and all of this water that cools down their parts just goes straight back into this big body of water in the Yangtze River. The Chinese government could also help with workers' rights. They could do this by potentially raising wages and making the working conditions better, because at the end of the day, the workers are the dam operators, and without them, you won't have a sustainable dam. The Chinese government could also impose guidelines regarding overfishing. In the Yangtze River, there's a huge carp population. This carp greatly contributes to the economy near the river. However, recent overfishing cases have led to a smaller population of carp fish, which ultimately leads to a big decline in their economy.
Alright, so what's new? The Chinese government has teamed up with the dam operators and the whole dam operation to slowly release water over the next 5 years. Another thing that's new is that the fish population in the Yangtze River has been rapidly declining due to overfishing and polluting the water, as well as fish not being able to migrate due to this giant dam. But this dam also helps the fastest growing economy in the world of China, because it harnesses the strong water energy. So that's what's new.
The way the Three Gorges Dam relates back to APES is through the human impact on environment. People overharvest the waters. The water pollution is also caused by outside forces like factories and the natural disasters that the dam causes, like landslides.